Okay, so part 2 of my video on the Osmo Mobile 6. I'm just doing a few walking tests here to show you the stability. Very impressed with this. This is the very first Osmo Mobile that I've had completely steady footage. As you can see by my reflection in the door here, I'm not walking in a ninja walk. I'm just walking completely normally and it's completely steady. I'm impressed with that. Right, my wife here is catching up on a bit of weekend work and I decided to just do a few of the tracking features on her. And as you can see, it doesn't need you to be looking into the camera. It's tracking her even though it's only the side of her face. And let's try zooming out. Okay, I'm using the scroll wheel on the side. It zoomed out, it lost slightly. Okay, it's green, it's back again, so it's, and as you get closer up, it recognizes that that's the top of her head rather than anything else. So very good. So that's also very good. Now I must warn you, if you're buying this for a Samsung or Android device, be careful because it's difficult. You can't get the app from the App Store. I tried using this with the Samsung S22 Ultra, and I also tried it with the Xiaomi K30 Pro. I can't get the app to work. It just keeps crashing all the time. It will only work with an iPhone at this time. Okay, so be thoughtful or mindful of that if you want to buy one of these. But I'm very impressed with it. Using it with an iPhone 11 Pro, it seems to be working very nicely. It comes up with little things on the screen like that now and again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. It does help, and leave a like if you liked the video. Right, so I did the tests from the zoom. This is the up and down motion. It doesn't go very high and it doesn't go very low, but this is fun. Right, okay, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.